Hey, what's up, guys? First day out on the lake this year in a boat. My uncle and I are going to Lake Reidsville here in North Carolina. Uh, Headed into the car. We're gonna get everything loaded up real quick. I'm gonna give you guys a quick overview of what I'll be trying to use today to catch the big ones. Uh, Taking 8 rods today. First one is a 7-foot medium heavy Bass Pro Shops with a US reels, 6 3-to-1 gear ratio. This is a Lucky Strike crankbait chartreuse black. Should be good for this time of year. Medium power, what is that, a Berkeley cranking stick. I got it on sale at Walmart. Old school loose reel, 5 3-to-1. That's a Norman medium diving crankbait, chartreuse and greenback. That should be a good color for this year. Booyah crankbait, 3/8 ounce. Going with the Colorado blade. Not sure. We had a lot of rain these past few days, so I'm not sure what the watercolor will be. Medium heavy 7-foot Gander Mountain stick, quantum reel. My Cinco toad rod from the Skeet Reach line. Love this setup, probably my favorite one. Pinnacle reel. I'm going to throw in a weightless Cinco on that bluegill pattern. Try a little top water action first thing this morning. That's the old school Bill Dance popper. Medium heavy, medium action 6.5 foot Bass Pro rod, quantum reel. That's spooled up with 17-pound mono. We got a rattle trap here. I'm trying to go with these bright colors because, like I said, it's been raining, so the water might be kind of muddy. Put that on a Bass Pro reel, 5 3-to-1, 6.5 foot cranking Skeet Reach rod. That is 12-pound fluorocarbon. Got a jig. I'm going to change this trailer out. I don't know the name of it, but it's the Arky style head, 3/8 ounce. My quantum reel, 7 3-to-1, 7.3 ducket. And last but not least, my backup plan, my quantum setup, spinning setup. Got a quantum Acris reel on here. I'm gonna throw a drop shot on this or a shaky head. I got a drop shot on first. That's 610 medium action, 8-pound fluorocarbon. And I forgot to tell you guys the lines on this one. That's 12-pound fluorocarbon, 12-pound fluorocarbon, 15-pound fluorocarbon on my spinnerbait, and 12-pound on my Cinco rod. Got my tackle in. Need to get out to the lake. There's my other tackle box. Hopefully we can work some magic today, catch you guys some big ones. We'll talk to you soon. What's up, guys? It's Saturday, May the 7th, 2016. Like I said, on my way to Lake Reidsville. Hadn't been there since like last October. Caught a 3-pounder that day. There was a tournament going on. That was the big fish of the day. It was tough out that day, but weather should be about 74 degrees. Not sure what the water temperature is. This is the first time I've been out on the lake in the boat. Not sure if the fish are pre-spawn out here or post-spawn or still in the spawn. I don't think the moon phase is quite right for, a big movement on the beds, but you never know till you get there. On my way to pick up some McDonald's. I just got done calling my uncle because last time he left me. My nickname's Turtle. I'm always running late, but my plan is to try and, they got a tournament out here, so they're pre-fishing. I'm gonna help them out. Plan is gonna be, I'm gonna try to work the 6 to 10 foot range. They like to beat the banks, which I'm not opposed to, but this lake don't have a lot of structure, so not bank structure. About 2 years ago, my uncle caught a 6 and an 8 pounder out here the same day. I didn't get to go that day, but hopefully we can get into them like that again. Picking up some McDonald's, and that's basically what the plan is for today. We'll adjust, you know, after we see what the water is doing, and we'll get back with you. Yeah, can I get a sausage and cheese biscuit and a hash brown? That'll be it.
The total's gonna be $276 for the first window. Thank you.
Thanks.
My pleasure. You want a sausage and cheese biscuit hash brown? Have a good day.
Appreciate it. Just got to the water, about to check the water clarity. About 1 foot visibility, so it looks like that rain really did a number. Gonna have to slow down to catch them today. We'll see what we can do. First fish of the day. It's on the crankbait.
Nice one too, bro. That's a good keeper there.
Yep.
You need that Facebook, I give him to you. That one hit down with a little pecker here.
Yeah, I knew that was a good spot. I could tell by the later. It's about a 2 pounder. You can hold it. I got a video recording.
I need to.
It's already recorded. Just hold it.
Okay. Scales right there if you want to weigh him anyway. I don't need to snap nothing. Okay.
And we'll be warming.
Okay. Good?
Weighing real quick.
Alright. Good looking fish. Tournament fish right there, bro. That's alright. Nice looking fish.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Why don't you, I don't have my live well on. I was going to tell you, see how many we can collect.
Got another little one on the sinker. Spraying a little bit of that garlic scented bang on it. That fish came from right over there. .68-degree water temp, and about 12 o'clock in the day. Get back with you. Got another one, guys. Wrong size on the Cinco. Hayes with his first fish of the day on a crankbait. The old bandit.
Oh, splatterback. He needed it bad. He's really gone through some shit this morning.
Excuse the
I'd
language.
love to see if she's a keeper.
Elizabeth player. Alright, 13 incher.
Glad to get one. Caught by Hayes.
Hayes caught a catfish. Wrong species, Hayes.
Yes, wrong one.
Well, we ended up calling it a day early. The motor would not work all day, so we ended up trolling. But we made the best of it. Just got that one keeper on the Norman deep little end, and the chartreuse and green or blackback. Pretty good day. There was a high school tournament going on out here today. The winning weight was about 15 pounds. Their big fish was 3.9. But pretty good day. Made the best out of it. Anything I would change from this day? Wish the motor was worked so we could have found some more spots. I think they were trying to get up to spawn, but couldn't fish enough of the lake to find out the true pattern. But we'll try them again next time, and we'll get back with you.